Wow, look at this almost 5,000 square feet contemporary stunner. Look how big the frontage is on this property. Probably got a couple hundred square feet here. And what's even more rare and terrific,
you can actually park 6 cars here.
6 cars.
Problem,
Yeah. And because this gentleman here is building a fortress, this is probably a $50 million estate here, a lot of money.
That's going to extend the street even more.
That's going to extend the street even more. So you're going to have this wide, very wide street here for lots of parking, right? Let's tour this bad boy.
Come on. So we have this room upstairs and it's staged as an office, but it can be used for a gym.
My particularly favorite spot, because you come down and the scale is really terrific. Nellie, how tall are these ceilings?
16 feet tall.
That's pretty tall.
It's very rare.
It is.
This high, this area of it.
Look at the scale in this room. And it's like 5 o'clock and you have so much sunlight. It's beautiful.
There we have this gorgeous wine display, custom made for this house.
Beautiful kitchen. It's a great place to relax. We have this big deck here for entertaining, all right? It's very much indoor-outdoor California living. It smells like, I won't say, it's expensive. It feels good here, doesn't it? That's what you get to wake up to every day. That's inspiring, I would say so. I just heard something really cool about this house. I didn't know this detail, because you'll learn all the time. Tell us.
I know. So let's talk about this smart mirror right here.
It tells you if you're tired and you need more zhuzhing up in your life.
If you're dehydrated, you need more water, you need more moisturizer. Also, it controls the whole house. You can do your security, you can watch YouTube, I can
go on the internet here and go to and trade stocks in the morning.
Oh yeah, you can do that too.
How cool is that? Look at that. Enter, boom. Look at this fancy staircase. It lights up at night too. So this book match marble lights up at night. You really have a lot of sun up here. This rooftop deck is phenomenal. You have ocean views, Century City views, a spa for 8 people. You have a bathroom just in case you need to
use it before you go downstairs.
Yeah. In the Hollywood Hills, you want that contemporary, entertaining paradise, and I think you nailed it, right? Okay, I think we're done here. We'll wrap this up. We have just about 5,000 square feet, incredible canyon views. This is the epitome of what a Hollywood Hills contemporary should be. It's sophisticated, it's chic, it's comfortable. You have lots of space. It has room for that infinity pool, which is gonna happen. The fit and finish is absolutely gorgeous. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for joining us on our tour of 1911 Sunset Plaza Drive.
It was a pleasure to have you guys.
It's not gonna last this one. Au revoir, bye-bye.
Bye.